Hey, my name's Alex from Cleaners Talk. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox and assemble the Bissell Featherweight Vacuum. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the vacuum. Okay, inside the box, you should have the vacuum. Inside, you should have a filter, the handle, the head vacuum, nozzle, as well as instructions and a registration card. Okay, first step to assemble the vacuum, we're gonna go ahead and install the handle onto the vacuum. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the vacuum around. You're gonna see this little latch, pop it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install it with this part facing upward. So this is the back, this will be the top. What we're gonna do is you're gonna slide it in, pop it in place, and latch it in place. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and install the head to the vacuum. What you're gonna do is there's an opening up here in the front. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab that piece there and you're gonna slide it in place. Should look like this. Okay, the last step is go ahead and plug in the vacuum. Once the vacuum is plugged in, there's a red button right here. You press down on the button and it'll turn the vacuum on. If you want to just use the vacuum itself without the handle or the head and insert the nozzle, what you do is you remove the front of the vacuum. You can remove the handle. You can go ahead and insert the nozzle. Once that, go ahead and press the button and use the vacuum.